This week was one of the best weeks for investors who invested in Roundhill ETFs, or now they call Roundhill investments, because they did increase most of the distributions for all ETFs, and was the same for a fund of funds that invests in a single stock ETFs. This is Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Coin, and Palantir. Nvidia, which is NVW, right now the price is $39.60. They pay 55 cents. That represents about 72%. Tesla at 31.76, 33 cents. That is 53%. Apple at 42.75, 12 cents. This is the lowest. It's only 14%, or round up to 15%. Coinbase, the price of today is 32, and they paid 18 cents. That's only 29%, or round up to 30%. Palantir, they paid the most, was 48 cents, and that represents about 73%. And now when it comes to return of capital, all these distributions was 100% return of capital. As I've mentioned, this is the strategy that Roundhill seems to be using. They pay everything and they categorize it as return of capital. On the tax information here, Apple paid 12 cents, and that's 100% return of capital. Tesla, 32 cents, 100% return of capital. Nvidia, 55 cents, and 100% return of capital. Palantir at 48 cents, that's 100% return of capital. And the last on this list was a Coinbase ETF. They paid 18 cents, and that's 100% return of capital. There's very important keyword I want you to notice: estimated return of capital. It's just estimated at this point. For tax purposes, you will get all the information from your brokerage, and that's going to give you a clear indication of what to do. And your accountant, of course, will know what to do if you are investing in taxable account. Ex-dividend date and record date for this week distribution is on Monday 24, 2025, and pay date is on the 25th of March 2025. That's Tuesday. If you're an investor who doesn't have any of this ETF on your portfolio, this is going to be too late to buy, because even if you buy tomorrow, you are now going to be on a record. They always pay on Tuesday. So if you buy tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday, if you like any of these ETFs, then you will for sure be on a next poll next Tuesday. And on this channel, I always keep you update on distribution, all the changes that they make on these ETFs. So in order for you not to miss an update, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification button, so whenever I release new videos, you will be able to receive those notifications. And if you like this type of content, make sure you smash that like button. Now let me show you the last thing. These two slides will show you the difference in payment from last week versus this week. There's a huge difference. On your right hand side is what they paid last week. A huge difference in Nvidia, for example, they paid 20 cents last week. This week is 55 cents. That's more than double. Tesla, they only paid 24 cents. This week is 32 cents. Last week, Apple paid 22 cents. So this week there's a decrease a little bit, only 12 cents. So that's almost minus 50%. Coin paid 56 cents, and now they paid only 18. There's a huge decrease in Coinbase. But Palantir is almost pretty much the same, because they paid 45 cents last week, and this week they are paying 48 cents. This difference in payment is very important information of how to balance your portfolio in terms of payment expectation. If you're an investor who is relying on this distribution either for your expenses or you want to have the money to reinvest. So this is just a quick update from Roundhill Investments for this week. If you like this content, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can always receive this type of update. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on next one. Bye bye.